Hey, so if salary data on Glassdoor is not showing for you or the page is blank, yeah, don't worry. This is a pretty common issue and usually easy to fix. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through it step by step. First thing, just refresh the page. Sometimes salary data fails to load because of a temporary glitch. Next, check what you searched. So, if the job title is misspelled or too vague, Glassdoor might not show any salary results. All right? Make sure your location is set properly. I mean, salary data depends heavily on country or city, so wrong location can cause missing results. Now, check filters. Sometimes filters like experience level or company size can hide all salary data accidentally. If it still doesn't load, try incognito mode or another browser. So this removes cached data and extension conflicts that can block salary pages. Next, disable extensions like ad blockers. These can sometimes block salary charts or scripts from loading properly. And yeah, make sure your app or browser is updated. I mean, older versions can break certain Glassdoor features like salary pages. So that's how you fix Glassdoor salary not showing issues. One of these steps usually brings the salary data back.